Grab the 12-inch drywall knife and knock off any protruding popcorn ceiling kernels. As always, safety first, so stay in the area that you're comfortable reaching on the ladder. I have a pretty long wingspan, so I try to work in 3 to 4 foot sections, but you should stick to whatever you're comfortable with. This is one of the projects that I strongly recommend you wear your N95 masks or better. You never know what's in this junk. Step 2. Grab your spray bottle, set it to mist, and spray the knockdown area with water, making several passes over the section till it looks uniformly wet. I found that using the hottest water I can from the tap penetrates the popcorn faster, at least in my opinion. Give it a try and let me know in the comments if you had the same experience to help out folks in our community. When you finish soaking the area, give the water a few minutes time to work its magic and penetrate the vermiculite. In case you don't know what that is, it's a compound popcorn ceilings are usually made of. While vermiculite is not the same as asbestos, it does often contain it, so wear your mask. In the effort of saving time, while I'm waiting for the water to work its magic, I go back to step 1 and continue to expand my work area by knocking off more kernels. Alright, here comes the moment you have all been waiting for. It's on to step number 3. Grab the 4-inch scraper and let's show this popcorn who's boss. If you are forcing the scraper along the sheetrock like I'm demonstrating here, that means the water did not fully penetrate the surface. So just whip out your spray bottle and do another pass or 2. This process spans over several days, so the best advice I can give you is let the tool do most of the work. Popcorn ceiling removal is all about getting just enough water on there to release the adhesive, but not so much that your sheetrock paper will start tearing. You will most likely get some tear out, especially around the areas where the sheets of sheetrock are joined. Just go slow and you'll be fine. It's nothing we can't show you how to patch later in one of our other videos. Eventually, you'll be able to gauge the perfect amount of water you need for the scraper to smoothly remove large sections of the popcorn ceiling. Here's a quick time lapse of one of the bedrooms. The room dimensions are 9 foot by 9 foot, and I was able to finish it in about 2 hours. So it goes pretty quick once you get dialed in.
Thank you guys very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and tune in for more educational videos just like this. We'll see you guys in the next one.